Hey, what's going on? So in today's video we're going to be unboxing and giving you a quick overview of the LG SK1. So taking a look at the packaging, it's fairly straightforward. It just gives you some specification information on the sides. And obviously one of the main features is the fact that this is a 2-channel Bluetooth soundbar. So that's it for the outer packaging. There's not much to talk about there, but taking a look inside, you can see it's well protected. And we do have the bag of documentation, and within the styrofoam you also have the remote control. And then finally we have the sound bar itself. So now let's run through what's on the remote control. On the first row you have your power button and then optical. On the second row we have standard, volume up and port in, aka auxiliary. On the third row we have mute, volume down and Bluetooth, and then finally on the last row we have bass blast and DRC on and off. And also don't forget to insert the batteries that you get within the bag of documentation. So for the documentation you just get a simple user manual, and of course you get your warranty/protection information document as well. Do make sure you check out the manual for more instructions on setting this up. Taking a look at the SK1, you can see that it does have a nice finish at the front. The mesh grille does come all the way around the corner, which makes it look better as well. At the top we have a simple LG logo, and now you can see that we have our 2 audio inputs, and of course you can mount this to a wall as well. And that's pretty much everything for the unboxing. So now let's take a look at my likes and dislikes. Now for me, the first most frustrating con about this is the fact that you can't turn off the power saving mode. The other con is the bass blast. Honestly, I can't tell the difference between this and the standard mode. And then for me, the next big con is the fact that it doesn't have any physical control buttons on the device itself. Unlike my other soundbar that's connected to my main TV, that actually has physical buttons, which I don't understand why they didn't put that in. Now when it comes to pros, the reason why I go with this is, one, the sleek and compact design, because it does go nicely with my 2 LG monitors as well. And when it comes to connectivity, you do get 3 options like I mentioned before, which is really nice. A lot of other devices wouldn't come with this many. To be quite honest, the only other connectivity option I can think of is HDMI, which my other soundbar does actually come with, but honestly I will never use that. So yeah, those would be my reasons for getting this. It might help you make your decision as well. If it does, please make sure to leave a like down below, and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.